In this video, we are going to show you how to sound like
the Minion using CapCut Mobile.
now. Older videos or older tutorials will show you a very customized. Okay, there's no exactly specifically a minion effect. Now we do, we really do now. So anyway, you're gonna need a clip that has an audio in it. Of course, some clips don't have audio, but you need one that has audio or some people talking, right? So if I play this, you're gonna hear me speak, right? So now, sometimes you're just gonna upload a clip, and this is all you're gonna have. You're not gonna have an audio clip here. Now, I am one of those, and to remedy this, I needed to extract the audio to here, right? We're gonna have another tutorial on how to do that, but that's not the case. So once you have your audio clip, just tap it to highlight the audio clip, and then on the bottom, scroll until you see audio effects. Tap on that. Now you're gonna have three options. You have voice filters, you have speed song to song, and then you're gonna have voice characters. If you tap on voice characters, the minion effect is already going to be there. So as you can see here, if I tap minion, there we go. And if I tap the confirm check mark to add the effect, there we go. If I scroll down and I just play this, as you can see, I already sound like a minion. There you go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.